Hello, good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. I'm here to talk about two assets, and which is more talked about in across the globe, at least in last couple of months. It's all about gold and silver. Why did I sort of pick this topic? I think a lot of queries around a lot of investors. Hey, is this the right time to invest in gold and silver? Right. So I personally feel there's nothing like right and wrong time to invest in gold and silver. But back to my video, it's all about how much of portfolio allocation that you and I have in gold and silver, right? So technically, anything more than 2025 is more like a overkill. But if you're around that number, I think we should just stick to it, right? So if I just look at some numbers, I was also looking at some numbers across. So gold was trading around $2,000 per ounce in 2024 Jan. But if you look at the run rate, it's given like $3,600 per ounce as of yesterday, right? And I mean, these are like crazy numbers. And any asset class which has gone above close to 60 to 75%, I think high possibility of a correction. I mean, that's my view. I could be wrong. Again, I mean, quite a few different factors. It's gone up because of global uncertainty. Different countries and banks are buying gold as a hedge against inflation and other parameters. I mean, it's fine. I think that's how every asset class behaves, and it's time for gold. In last 1 year, right? So and silver too. It's like gone off crazily, and there are predictions that this will go close to $5,000 per ounce. We don't know, right? So these could be predictions, and if you're a strong trader, go with it. But otherwise, don't go with the FOMO of buying it now. I personally feel we got to hold and wait and watch how the global uncertainties will fold for all of us, and then take a position. I feel it might go up another 10 to 15% more if the uncertainties are same. There's a high possibility of a 20% correction in gold. So let's just wait and watch. So why rush and invest in gold? As an asset class which has gone up close to 100% in the last 1 year, right? So it's not sustainable according to my theory and knowledge. So I'm on hold for gold. So that's pretty much I want to share it for today. So hold on. So let's see how things shape up, and then you can take a call, right? So till then, take care. Bye bye, all of you.